Hi there, lock-picking Paul. Happy anniversary. I'm still under house arrest because I stole your katana idea. You asked us to show you a tool we made, so it has to be this one, right? I'm going to demonstrate at picking this little Japanese lock with it. I think this pick I made really looks like something a ninja would have in his kit, though. I should call it ninja pick instead of katana. It works really well and it's pretty comfortable. It already has a little battle damage, but it's really durable. I already picked most of my padlocks with it, but it's holding up great. I made it out of 301 high-yield stainless. It's a full tang, but I cut a slit in the middle to braid the cord around it. Finally open. Take care, everyone. Thanks for watching.